let's go to the next question. Mary's demand curve is given as this. Price elasticity is this. How much is P? Okay. So you're given that Q is 10 minus 2P. dQ by dP will be minus 2. Price elasticities for food at price P is minus 2 by 3. So what is price elasticity? P by Q dQ by dP. So P by, instead of Q, I'm writing this. 10 minus 2P into minus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Actually, don't take here in the absolute value because I have negative on both sides. I found my elasticity also negative and it was given to me also negative. So I get 2P upon 10 minus 2P is equal to 2 by 3. 6P is equal to 20 minus 4P. 10P is equal to 20. P is equal to 2. Okay, let's go to the next question. Suppose leisure is a normal good. When the hourly wage rises, all things equal, this leads to. Okay. Now just see here. When wage increases, we know that there are two effects. My utility function consists of two things, leisure and consumption. Consumption comes from income. So when wage increases, substitution effect says reduce leisure, increase consumption. Matlab increase your work. Leisure is more costly because it is having higher opportunity cost. Reduce leisure, increase consumption. This is your substitution effect. Your income effect says reduce leisure, increase leisure and increase consumption. So if I'm earning a lot, then I don't have to work for more hours. Less hours can also give me more income. So income effect says that you have earned enough. You should enjoy more leisure also. So when will it happen that your leisure will increase? Your leisure will increase when your income effect is more than substitution effect, and your labor will increase when your income effect is less than substitution effect. Because when income effect is less, substitution effect is more, you will reduce leisure. And when you reduce leisure, labor will automatically increase. So these are the two things. Now let's just look here. So decreased labor supply, substitution effect dominates income effect. So when substitution is more, income is less, then labor supply will increase, not decrease. This is wrong. Decreased labor supply, income effect dominates the substitution effect. So when income effect is more than substitution effect, then labor will be decreasing. This is correct. Increased leisure if substitution effect dominates the income effect. So when substitution is more than income, leisure is decreasing. So this is incorrect. Decreased leisure if income effect dominates the substitution effect. When income effect is more than substitution, leisure is increasing. So this is incorrect. Right? So the answer is B. This is the basic substitution income effect.